Hello everyone. Let's start with NASDAQ, the intraday, and CSPX and Dow Jones. So as we mentioned today in the daily, 28K 266 in a very high precision taken, and yeah, we saw of course a reaction before taking the low. How much impressive this is. The invalidation of the bullish is not yet totally taken because now you're still within this very tiny gap here. You still can count an A, B, C, D, and A triangle, or you can still in a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal. Very low probability, of course, for diagonal, but yeah, we might see this reaction here. We talked about it today in the analysis. We talked about, of course, a rebound here that it might be given from this low right now just to be adjusted. So 29K or 28K 835. So I'm looking here for a finished impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very extended. And we might have a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, 5 in case of a bear market continuation. All right. Now 886 taken, meaning of course a very high probability to come back here and take the low. Otherwise, we might be in a triangle, of course, which is still possible here. So we gotta be careful. This can be possible. Hopefully not, and hopefully we don't come back to the complex structures that we have here. But yeah, I'm keeping it in mind, of course, in case of a triangle or in case of a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We'll see, guys. But currently, at the moment, of course, probabilities are still more bullish, bearish, sorry, than bullish. But we have a strong retracement. Yeah, so we have a strong retracement, meaning, of course, a wave 2 there. So I'm gonna mark this, by the way, a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5 to be expected. All right. So this is regarding Nasdaq, guys. What we might have next. Probabilities are, since we shift here before taking the invalidation and we see a reaction, let's give it a 5% less, for, of course, so 65 by 35 so far, until we reach this area. If this area broken and we push for higher, then we're going for a deeper potential wave 2 there, meaning deeper wave 2 perfect fib levels. This will bring us again to almost a 55 by 45 at this area. If we take the 886, 50, of course, then we push bullish with the confirmation for higher, 60 to 70% from there. This is how we're gonna take it, and we'll see what's gonna happen, guys. For SPX, we are looking for US 500 also for bearish here, 55. Why? Because I'm still looking for this area. Guess what? We didn't took our confirmation for lower. We see a reaction here, very likely to push toward the upside. And of course, we're back to the bullish here in a I would say 55 directly. 55%. 45 for this bearish scenario. Now, this reaction, I would like to see this this potential signal of strength, meaning taking the high again. Once it happens, we go, of course, with even 65% bullish here, and we continue the trend toward the upside in an ending diagonal. Right. So this is what I think is going on here. So yeah, we're flipping to bullish again for SPX anyway, because we are already still in a good momentum for the bullish, as we mentioned always. For Dow Jones, of course, I'm still bullish there, very bullish for Dow Jones, guys. As I mentioned, the signal of strength has been given like from here, right? We took the pre-confirmation and we took confirmation as well for higher, and we cannot finish this without being in a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then pushing really high for wave 3, 4, and a 5. Now, currently, I see another signal of strength here. What is nice happening here is a wave 3, so 1, 2, 3 has finished up, and probably we might come back here with a 4 and a 5 there, which is gonna finish at least here maybe 1.38. And it can be a running flat again, because of course expanding flat can turn into running flat if you finish 5 waves failing to take the low. Oh, that will be a crazy bullish scenario. When a running flat happens, that means the market is running for it, for pushing higher. So very likely coming back here to a 60%. Even, I mean, the macro level is very clear for me. 60% bullish for Dow Jones, guys. So that was it for the intraday US stock indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.